So after the equilibrium rate of exchange, if exchange rate rise from OR to OR1, जब एक्सचेंज रेट राइज हो रहा है OR से OR1 पे, मैं दो लाइंस लगा रहा हूँ, एक इस पॉइंट से एंड एक इस पॉइंट से. सो व्हेन एक्सचेंज रेट राइजेस फ्रॉम OR टू OR1, ये क्या इंडिकेट करता है? नाउ सी, दिस पॉइंट इज अटैच्ड विद सप्लाई. यस, सो व्हेन एक्सचेंज रेट राइज फ्रॉम OR टू OR1, supply increases from OQ to OM. Supply increases from OQ to OM, and this point is related with the demand. Then the demand decrease from OQ to ON. Demand decreases from OQ to ON. So in this situation, the supply is more and demand is less. So when supply is more than demand, then exchange rate again falls from OR to OR. Once again I am repeating, जब इक्विलिब्रियम रेट ऑफ एक्सचेंज से ज़्यादा रेट ऑफ एक्सचेंज हो जाता है, मीन्स OR से OR1 पे, इट मीन्स वो यहाँ पे आ गया. देन हमने एक लाइन लगाई, हमने इस पॉइंट्स एंड इस पॉइंट्स पे दो लाइंस को ड्रॉ किया. देन द सप्लाई इंक्रीजेस फ्रॉम OQ टू OM, OQ टू OM, एंड डिमांड डिक्रीजेस फ्रॉम OQ to ON. It means supply is more than demand. So in this situation, the rate of exchange decreases from R1 to R. Now in second situation, rate of exchange decreases from OR to OR2. In this situation, so जब rate of exchange decrease होता है OR से OR2 में, इस situation में now this point is related with demand. So in this situation, demand increases from OQ to OM. So again, जब exchange rate OR से OR2 पे हो गया, हमने एक लाइन लगाई OR2 वाली. So this point is related to demand. So the demand increases from OQ to OM. Demand increases from OQ to OM, and this point is related with supply, and supply decreases from OQ to ON. Supply decreases from OQ to ON. So this situation is opposite with the first situation. In this situation, the demand is more and supply is less. Demand is more than supply. So in this situation again, the rate of exchange arises from OR2 to OR. So in this manner, market forces decides exchange rate of foreign currency.